Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your BMW? Today, we're diving into the world of diagnostics with the best FOXWELL scanner for BMW. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just love your ride, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top features that set the FOXWELL scanner apart, from advanced diagnostics to user-friendly interfaces. We'll even show you how to save time and money on repairs by taking control of your vehicle's health. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's rev up your BMW experience. Number 5. FOXWELL NT530 for BMW is the ultimate diagnostic scan tool designed exclusively for BMW vehicles. This remarkable device offers comprehensive all-system diagnostics, allowing you to troubleshoot critical electronic systems like ABS, SRS, and TPMS, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly while saving you thousands in dealership fees. Its advanced maintenance features allow you to reset oil reminders, calibrate sensors, and even deactivate parking brakes for hassle-free brake changes. Unlike other tools, the NT530 guarantees full OBDII functionality with no hidden subscription fees, making it versatile for different brands, including Toyota and Mercedes-Benz. The unique history feature lets you securely save data and VIN numbers, eliminating the need for manual entry. Perfect for DIYers, the FOXWELL NT530 is your go-to tool for efficient vehicle maintenance and repair, making it the best FOXWELL scanner for BMW lovers. With its sleek interface and powerful capabilities, you'll be well equipped to ensure your BMW is always in peak condition. Number 4. FOXWELL NT710, the ultimate OBD2 scanner specifically designed for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce enthusiasts. With its powerful Android 9.0 OS and 5.5-inch touchscreen, this tool delivers a fast, user-friendly experience with 32 plus 2 GB storage and a robust 4000 mAh battery for extended use. Experience OE-level full system diagnosis across multiple systems like engine, ABS, and SRS, while utilizing advanced bidirectional control and 10 OBD2 functions for detailed insights. Enjoy all essential maintenance features at no extra cost, such as one-click battery registration and popular reset services including airbag light and oil light resets. The NT710 ensures you keep your vehicle in optimal shape, detecting issues early and supporting timely repairs. With enhanced OBDII diagnostics, it efficiently monitors emissions and helps your vehicle comply with environmental standards. Ideal for any BMW owner looking for the best FOXWELL scanner, the NT710 is your perfect companion for comprehensive vehicle health monitoring. Make the smart choice and elevate your diagnostic game with FOXWELL NT710. Number 3. FOXWELL NT510 Elite Scan Tool is the ultimate solution for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce owners looking for a comprehensive diagnostic tool. This device goes beyond a simple OBD2 scanner by granting full access to all control modules, allowing you to read and clear fault codes for your engine, ABS, airbag, and more. With its pro-level tests, the NT510 Elite's bidirectional control feature helps identify the root cause of any fault code, ensuring accurate repairs and optimal vehicle performance. After a battery replacement, registering the new battery is just one click away, saving you time and money on dealer visits. Plus, the built-in emission diagnostic functions allow you to pre-check your vehicle's readiness before state smog checks. All essential maintenance features, like oil reset and ABS bleeding, come at no extra cost, making it an invaluable tool for any BMW enthusiast. And with lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi, the NT510 Elite ensures you'll always stay ahead in your automotive diagnostics journey. This is truly the best FOXWELL scanner for BMW. Number 2. FOXWELL NT710 is the ultimate bidirectional full system diagnostic scan tool specifically designed for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce vehicles. With its advanced compatibility and user-friendly interface, This upgraded OBD2 scanner features a 5.5-inch TFT touchscreen powered by Android 9.0, ensuring seamless operation. The FOXWELL NT710 allows for comprehensive diagnostics, providing OE-level access to all available electronic control models, from engine and ABS to HVAC and transmission systems. Its bidirectional control offers active testing for components such as doors, windows, and lights, simplifying the process of identifying potential issues. Additionally, the tool excels in maintenance service resets, making tasks like oil light resets and ECU coding a breeze. With lifetime free one-click Wi-Fi updates, easy OBD2 functionality, and real-time data management, the FOXWELL NT710 is not just a scanner, it's a mechanic's best friend. Perfect for both professionals and BMW enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle maintenance, this scanner stands as the best FOXWELL scanner for BMW on the market today. Number 1. FOXWELL NT510 Elite 2.0, the best FOXWELL scanner for BMW enthusiasts. This cutting-edge diagnostic tool ensures a seamless experience with its 2024 upgrades. Featuring Wi-Fi updates, expanded memory from 8 GB to 32 GB, and comprehensive bidirectional scanning, the NT510 Elite 2.0 meticulously diagnoses all control modules in BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce vehicles. Say goodbye to guesswork. This tool allows you to quickly scan fault codes and clear them after repairs, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. With over 25 reset services, including battery registration, you can take control of regular maintenance with ease. Plus, it's equipped with full OBD2 functionality, making it a versatile companion for all vehicles post-1996. Experience real-time data monitoring with dynamic live graphs and generate diagnostic reports for mechanic consultations. Best of all, enjoy lifetime free updates without any fees, so your scanner is always equipped with the latest features. Upgrade your diagnostic game with the FOXWELL NT510 Elite 2.0 today. In conclusion, the FOXWELL scanner offers exceptional diagnostic capabilities for BMWs, making it an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, you can easily troubleshoot issues and maintain your vehicle's performance. We hope this guide has helped you in your search for the best scanner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more automotive insights.